How you going, guys? It's Fat Boy Gaming. Today we're gonna do a bit of a hunting trip. Before we get going, thank you to all. I'll turn around so you can see it a bit better. Thank you to Gaming with Night 547 for the name for the ranch. Grateful, appreciated. Let's get into it. Now, Awesome Guy and Nick is in. They're up here waiting for me. We're gonna go do a hunting trip, and then it's gonna be this week's video. Howdy, boys.
Yo.
So we're all ready to go?
Yep. Let's go.
Let's go. I'm going this way. I don't know what way you wanted to go.
Oh, we're splitting. Oh, I thought
we were going all as one.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you made it sound like we weren't. Okay.
I just know there's animals, sheep and stuff around this way, so.
Yeah. Wait, hold on, wait, where's Nick?
He's gone over to the plain area, the flat area. I couldn't jump. Chicken, mine, dead. There's another chicken there if you want it.
Yeah, I'll take the chicken.
Sheep.
I'll take this other one.
Yep. Chicken. That was a terrible shot. There's a sheep here too.
Get him. Fucking took us so long to hit that chicken.
I keep missing it. Yeah, guys, if you haven't subbed yet, make sure you sub. Also, while I'm on that type of news, thank you for whoever the new sub is. Sorry I didn't get to notice you earlier. I only seen it the other day when I was checking my channel. Thank you for the sub. Hope you enjoy what we put out. Whatever your name is, make sure you put it in the comments, and I'll tell everyone your name once you come out. If not, just say you're there, and if you don't want your name to be given out, just say please don't give out. There's a shit ton of chickens, sheep, and fucking I failed. Oh, it took too long.
Like, this food will help us for, like, future episodes and shit.
That's why I thought of doing it. That's all.
Hold on, there's a pig. There's a chicken, too.
Where are you going into? You going into the,
No, I'm over here.
Oh, back over the other side.
Just stay there, I'm just gonna go grab this chicken. You can go kill this pig over here if you want.
Yeah, I'll come and do that. Drown following you up.
Ow! Lucky you can pick up arrows.
Yeah, if it's your own arrow you can.
Luckily, I have 53 cooked beef for this journey.
I only brought cooked chicken. It was only 2.
Oh, sheep. Oh, there's 2 of them. There's 2 sheep over here, Cooper.
Yep.
Oh, there's 3. Ow. Ah, big. These animals are standing no chance. I have no idea where the fuck Nick is.
I don't know, he's gone disappearing. We going for that chicken?
No. I was letting you have it. Oh, pig. I'll take this cow.
You could have took pig if you wanted.
Meh. Oh shit. I have to literally go in the water to grab a fucking beef. Some beef. There we go.
Oh my god, I missed that one.
Hey, a pig. Mine.
Take it.
Come here, pig.
I was talking to Game with 9547 or whatever his name is. I can't pronounce it. The older brother.
I'll take this other chicken.
Yep. I was talking to him before, and he's going to join the round. He's going to be in creative though to build the battle arena.
Okay, that seems fair.
And then he's going to jump back in survival when we're recording.
Yeah, that seems fair.
And then once he's done the battle arena, he's going to go back to survival, so it keeps the survival theme.
It means technically we're getting 2 new members. Your older brother and Tace.
Yeah.
Whenever he's fucking joining.
I have invited him, he just hasn't joined yet. Cal, by 3. You can have
might
2.
need to hop to bed with a sec.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's wounded for you.
I hope Nick brought a bed with him.
Oh, you weren't taking that cow.
Oh no, I thought you were taking it, because you were attacking the bloke.
I told him to grab a bed, so I hope he did.
Oh, let me ask him.
Oh, you frickin' chicken. There's a fox right here. I nearly shot it.
Oh, you did, okay. Bedtime. Wait, when you say fox, do you mean wolf or an actual fox?
A wolf. I call them foxes. Chicken.
Well, damn it. I wish I'd brought some bones and one of us could have got an extra dog, but...
Yeah, I didn't bring a bone either, so...
He's fine, he'll cross. I'm gonna grab this cow over here. Yeah.
I didn't think we were going to run into any wolves.
Well, you kind of think you would. Hey, Cooper, cow, over there.
Whereabouts? I see it.
Just behind the tall grass.
There's 2.
Oh,
Oh, I completely missed it.
You stupid bitch.
I'll take this one then.
I'm only going to use a bow if the animal's actually really far away.
Oh, I've been using it every now and then. There's cows and sheep over here.
I've got a sheep right here. Oh, one shot got him.
I should have thought of fixing up another sword. This one's about to bloody break.
Hey, chicken.
The chicken crossed the bloody water too. That was a nice shot. Not like you wanted that one.
The chicken, they stand no chance, man.
No, they're just completely dud.
Couple of pigs over here. Going in for the fucking kill. There, that's how you do it.
I only got 7 arrows left. Out of 13, I lost 2.
Trooper, at the
Cows.
start of the video, you should say, you should, at the, oh yeah, I'll get this other one.
Yeah.
The one on the left. Oh. Come on.
What were you going to say before I interrupted?
Oh, I said, at the start, you should, at the start of this video, you should put, like, a thing saying, Disclaimer, vegans should not watch this.
Don't ruin the title. Chickens! Yeah!
Pig! Ah!
It's actually a good title. Good idea to put the title as. I've got no shield now. Sword now. I'm relying on bows.
And then when you run out of arrows, you're gonna have to rely on hand.
Yep.
This big. Alright, you take one cow, I'll take the other.
There's sheep there as well.
Yeah.
Imagine if they actually made it so arrows can hit other arrows. Cows over on the hill before the forest. I completely missed. And I'm out of arrows. No, my last arrow.
I have some arrows on me. You can borrow some of mine.
No, I'm good.
Dude, no. I have like fucking plenty. Here, take half my arrows.
Sure.
Yeah, I have 24. You have 24.
Ah, okay. I'm using trees. Oh fuck. Sheep.
Fuck these animals, man. They spawn everywhere.
Shit, I just wasted a fucking arrow. I got it anyway.
Don't. Let's not kill horses because there's no point.
No, you don't get meat out of them.
You only get like leather from the priest.
There's a cow over that side and there's a cow. Pick that side and pick this side. Also, guys, leave a comment in the comment area if we should do another hunting one if you like this one.
We're not even that far from home.
Not really.
Nick's on the other side of the map.
I seen that. I just caught that on video. A freaking pig just disappeared in thin air.
It's called render distance.
No, I wasn't that far away from it. You'll see the video. I'll send you the bit of the clip. Cows over here. Oh, you slider.
Oh no, my cousin's here. I can hear him crip calling everywhere. I just... Oh, sheep. Come here. Fuck.
Cow.
Oh, one shot.
Yeah, sheep are one shot. Oh, cows are normally two if you freaking aim right.
Another sheep.
There's another sheep up, or two up here on the hill.
Well, you can get those two.
Also depends on the distance when you hit the sheep. If you're close, it's only if you're far away, it's one hit. If you're close, it's two. Horse. There's a chicken over here.
I'll take the chicken. Nice.
Pigs cross.
I'll take... Which one are you taking?
That one.
Right, one on the left. Got him. Yes!
Oh, that was close!
That almost hit me! Dude, what the fuck was that?
I was trying to aim, he went missing on me for a second or two in the long grass. Sheep. You want it?
No, you take it.
Oh, there's baby one.
Dude, I just can't wait till tomorrow.
What's tomorrow?
Didn't you see all the shit that's happening on Messenger?
Oh, the AC/DC release.
No. Oh, no, on Messenger.
Oh, the group, yeah. I still got to decide if I'm going or not yet.
Well, you've got till tonight to make up your mind.
Yeah, I know. Only problem is I got an ingrown toenail pulled out on the weekend.
Yeah, I saw that.
So I don't know if I'll be up to running around or not.
We're not gonna, like, run around.
I think we're just chilling at the lake, aren't we?
We're meeting up at the lake.
Sheep.
I know for that fact.
I was going to hit you. I'm not that bad. It just disappeared on me.
There's a couple of chickens over here.
Yep. I'll just get this arrow.
One shot on that chicken. You guys meet... Yeah, Nick. Oh, you're not in the group chat yet. Oh, yeah,
Who was the one that said about, Amber?
wait,
I know she came up.
What? Who's saying what's wrong with Amber?
No, someone was saying that Amber or something was... Something about Amber. I didn't fully read it.
Oh, so what happened was Tanisha said... well, Nathan said that Tanisha invited Amber, apparently. And I said, I'm just gonna go regardless.
Yeah.
And then Caitlin's like, what's wrong with Amber? And I said, I had some issues with her. And then Nathan's like, so did him and Coop and you.
Yeah.
And I was like, oh, well, and Ethan as well. Oh, yeah, Nick, so... No, I've asked... Nick, if you can hear me, I've asked Jake to put you in the group. Like, I've sent him a request, but he hasn't added you. But basically, tomorrow, if you're allowed to, 10:30 tomorrow at Shep Lake. So...
Whereabouts you got to?
I'm just over here. So...
I see you tag.
And you're not added, Nick, if you want to go and you're not added to the group yet,
Pig.
I can speak, like, I can tell Nathan...
Oh, I got the cow. The horse. Your freaking cousin's giving me the craps, I can hear him.
Just, hopefully, because if Nick didn't hear me, I'm going to type everything I'll just send in the fucking chat. And it's starting to sunrise, sunset.
I reckon we do this sleep and kill a couple more and then I'll end this video. Because by then I'll be out of arrows.
Can you defend me real quick? I just got to text something for Nick.
Yeah, good. Defend with an iron pickaxe.
Okay, let's place down our beds.
I think we give another couple more kills and then we'll start heading home. There's a cow over that way near the start of the forest. There's a chicken here. There's a sheep over here. There's sheep over this way. You only get the next 2 or 3 kills and then we'll start heading back to the house.
Okay.
And then we can start tallying up what we got.
Don't we just keep, like, our stuff that we...
Yeah, you keep what you got, we just tally up what we got from the run and shove like our own stash.
Yeah, and then I'll probably exit the realm, and then when I hop back on the realm, I'll put in a furnace. Oh, the fucking sheep disappearing. Oh, it teleported.
It's up here.
Hold on. Come here, you sheep-looking cum.
So guys, we're gonna start heading back now. So we gotta go that way.
Yep.
Somehow we ended up behind or near my end of the area.
Yeah.
I haven't lost you, no. Bloody hell, I hate these random sounds.
We just run back home and we'll kill any animals that we encounter on the way.
Yep.
Right. Good luck, Nick. We'll see you on the other side.
Kill a sheep with a map. Give it paper cut. Oh, here we go this way. We should be right. Yep, I see Nick's tower.
Luckily, Nick builds a tower, eh?
We end up spawning. We honestly were past where we spawned.
Yeah.
So guys,
Hopefully there'll be other animals, and we can save some of the other animals for like farm and
yeah. So guys, Brody's gonna go tally up what he's got. I'm gonna go back to the ranch.
I'll quickly tell you what I got. You ready?
Yep.
I got 21 raw beef.
Yep.
I got 18 raw pork chops.
Yep.
I got 10 raw chicken and 24 raw mutton.
Yep.
That's all I got.
So that was Brody's one. We got 23 raw beef, 14 raw chicken, raw mutton 18, and 19, and 9 raw pork chops. So guys, that's gonna be the end in a minute. I'll show you what else is going on off video. The farm has got a bit bigger. As you can see, there's a like a castle wall going up. That's to do with this. Open the gate. That is a little hunting spot, or not hunting, mob spot to kill all the mobs. So you can jump up on the roof here and shoot them down with the arrow or whatever. No, now we've got none. The other side of it's over here. Nick has done his tower, and he's also made a shop. That'll be another video to go along. Other from that, I think we'll put the bed back down in the bedroom. There you go, the older brother just joined.
Yeah.
So, this is going to be the end, guys. I'll see you guys next time. Laters.